Metal, hello and good day, kids, for the glory of chaos. That's right. We've got this box here from John from Das Slot Car Box. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's in it, shall we? Here we go. Metal. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. Let's open this bad boy up. I am very excited for this. Some of you probably know what this is. Some of you probably don't. We're glad you're here to find out. And I'm very excited to get this open and give it a try this weekend. Maybe even later today. All right, another sticker. Hey, Todd. Keeping your tires true. Hey, cheers, Johnny V. Johnny V, you are metal. You are the best, man. So many cool guys from Aussie land. Oh, wow. These pieces are all nicely packed. My goodness, John. What an amazing job. So he's got a video of how to use this. I've already viewed. I'm going to put the link to the video in the description field down below so you guys can check it out. If you're new here, please give us a subscribe. It helps the channel out and it doesn't cost anything. And we never mind having extra bubble wrap around because it's fun, isn't it? Good job packing, John. My goodness. A really good job packing. All right, let's pause for some metal coffee. That's right, metal coffee, folks. With hints of burnt motor oil and a hot engine block. Ooh, look at that. Very cool. Very cool. So yeah, you hook this up, and then these pulleys, and you put your axle there, and it's got a little thing that you use to move that down, and you're set. And it comes with some extra parts and stuff too. Let's get these open as well. Again, amazing packing, John. Better to overdo it than underdo it. I think this is to hold the power supply. It looks like wings for cars. I'm not 100% sure on that part. And this should have the dial and the spare parts, and the pulleys have to make up a little container to hold them. Then you just hook your power supply up there and you're all set. Yeah, here's the rest of the stuff. So there's extra pulleys. This goes here. And you just turn that down, as you can see here, as you need to. I'm actually going to put a little grease on that. So she moves nice. How handy having some slot car grease around, huh? Well, you got to be so gingerly when you're doing this. There we go. You only want a little bit, you know? Oh, yeah. All right, had to start over because my alarm went off. My apologies. All right, so we've got spare arms. You've got your pulleys, some bearings if you need them to slide into the grooves, and what have you. So that's about it. You just got to hook the power supply up to it and use it. I'm not 100% sure what this is. They honestly look like car wings. I don't know. Looks like they go like so, but I don't understand where they go. I'm going to have to message John and ask him that one. I'm really not sure what these are, but that's all good. I'll have to watch that video again. I don't recall him using these, but thank you nonetheless, John. I'm sure they have a purpose. So yeah, we're going to try this bad boy out as soon as possible. I'll put like I said, a link to his video below in the comments field where he tells you how to use it, and on there that'll tell you how to contact him. Also, there's the info right there. But yeah, so you just take out your axle, you fit one of those pulleys to your axle in the center. It's got the little key already, whichever one works the best, so it's nice and snug. And you put it there, and you just move that down, and you got a rougher grit and a lesser grit there, and that's it. I mean, a really nice piece of equipment. So thank you, John, for getting this to me. If you wish to get one, please reach out to John. Thanks everybody for watching this. I'll try to do a video where I'm actually doing a truing as well coming up in the future. So thanks for tuning into this. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy Friday. Get on your slot cars, get on your track. Have a good long Memorial Day weekend. We will catch you Monday on Memorial Day for the Ramble. Metal. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on.